Planning to live in the South while still having the convenience you need? Come and visit one of the projects of Solar Resources Inc., the villas at Dasmariñas Highlands. The villas at Dasmariñas Highlands is a quiet and modern subdivision located here in Barangay San Agustin 1, Aguinaldo Highway in Dasmariñas, Cavite. This project is highly accessible at malls such as SM Malls and Robinsons. This is Diane, and join me as we enter this beautiful 3-story townhouse, 𝗓𝗏𝗋. So we are now outside the dress-up model unit, 𝗓𝗏𝗋. You have here your carport, a garden, and a pathway going to your door. Upon entering the main door, you will notice this spacious living room where you can set up your sofa set. And then you have these two big windows, and on this wall, you can hang your wall-mounted TV. Over here is where your stairs are located, and you have a door here going to your maid's room or your den. So this is an extra room for you to use. Next to it is another door going to your toilet and bath. So this includes a sink, a toilet, and a shower area. Going back, here is where you can have your dining area where you can fit a 6 to 8 seater table. And next to it is a full-size glass window that will lead you to the side part of the house. Right here is your kitchen. So you have here your countertop, your sink. You also have a storage above and under the countertop, and also a space for your appliances. And next to it is a door going to your service area. Let's now check the second floor. And we are now on the second floor of the house. Let's first check the bedroom 1. So this is the bedroom 1. This room can fit a single bed or a double deck bed. And here we have a space for your working table. This room also has 2 windows on both sides, and we have here a space for your closet. Outside bedroom 1 is another toilet and bath. So this includes a sink, a toilet, and a shower area. As you walk through the hallway, you will reach our spacious master's bedroom. So this bedroom can fit a queen-size bed, and then you have a space here for your side table, a cabinet, and a working table. And on this side, you have your own closet as well. And since this is a master's bedroom, you have your own toilet and bath for your convenience. One more thing about this master's bedroom is it has a door going to your own balcony. This time, let's check the third floor. The first thing you'll see here is the family area or the entertainment area. So this is spacious enough for your family to sit back and relax. Let's check the bedroom 2. In this room, you can have a twin-size bed. This room also has 2 windows on both sides, and here is a space for your closet. Just outside the bedroom door is another toilet and bath. And this also includes a sink, a toilet, and a shower area. Let's now go to the other side. And this is bedroom number 3. So this room can fit a twin-size bed. You may also put a side table, a closet, and a working table. This room also has a full-size window and another window facing the balcony. Speaking of balcony, the only way to go there is through this full-length door next to your family area. So this is a place where you can unwind after a long busy day. And that's it for our house tour. I would like to thank you for joining me today. And if you have inquiries or want to schedule a tripping, feel free to message us on our social media accounts. Again, this is Diane, and let's turn this house into your dream home here in the villas at Dasmariñas Highlands.